It's actually funny that things that we do for kind of a side. What's up, I don't do that. Nigga tell like if I don't, I got it too down. I'm about to get a new car and a new house and a new. Ready, they tell I see that. Mama, still wanna hit the shit. Damn, I get on the stage and women